现在开始了啊！
一言一个字吗？
别带麦了吗？你带麦了 ，Kiki。好，开始。OK。宣传在1了没有？那个宣传在1。OK。
Hello everyone, this is Kiki from OTTIMA. Nice to meet you here today. In order to let you know more about our company, I will introduce our company first. Our company was founded in 2006, over 40 years experience. And we have a SMD machine, DIP machine, wave surgery machine, reflex surgery machine, and all of our goods are 100% virgin test before the shipment. And we also have a very strict production process to check our quality, and all of our products must be 4 times tested before the shipment, so we can control the defect rate within 0.3%. And in addition, we have many certificates such as CE, TUV, ROS, ETL, SAA, FCC, and what's more, we can laser your own logo for free, even 1 pieces. And we also have we can provide 3 years warranty, 5 years warranty, and 7 years warranty. So now let me introduce our LED driver. This one, you can see this one is a mini LED driver. It is a constant voltage LED driver. It can be used for LED street light, LED mirror light, and LED ambient light. First of all, you can see the size is very slim, very slim, right? And the power range is from 6 watt to 13 watt. It has a filter, whether it's 6 watt or 13 watt, 12 watt or 24 watt. It has the same size. Now let me show you the size. You can see the size. The length is only 19 mm. And the width is only 41 mm. And the most important, and the thickness is only 18 mm. So the size is very small. And from the appearance, you can see this LED driver looks very small, so the weight is also very light. So if you buy it, you will save your many shipping cost. And also because of the less weight, you can use this 3M glue to put in the LED driver, and then put it in the LED line, in the wall, and the wooden, anywhere as you want. So it is very convenient for you to install it. And also you can see here the back of the LED driver. You can see there have a small hole on the power supply, so it is also very convenient for you to install it. And then maybe some clients have some questions, they have some confused. So how can I connect the wire if I buy this LED driver? So let me tell you a very hand function. So first we we open this small cover, open it. You can see there have two terminals. So you can use these two terminals to connect the wire. So it is also very easy to installation, right? And this one LED driver um, also have many certificates such as CE, TUV, ROS. And the input voltage is from 100 to 240. So it is very popular in European market and the European market. So, and I also have many more details about this LED driver. And we also have many clients from Amazon and AliExpress. They buy this LED driver from our factory and sell it well in UK, Germany, and Italy, and so on. So please believe us. Not only can give you the best price, but also we can give you the best service and the good quality. Maybe some clients have a question. They think Amazon and AliExpress of the LED driver of the price is very expensive. So if we buy it from your factory, it is cheaper than the Amazon. So yes, that's a good question. Sure, if you buy this LED driver from our factory, we will not only give you the cheap price than the Amazon, and we can guarantee we can give you a favorable price than our competitors. The reasons are as follows. The first one is that our factory in Major, it is a self-built factory. It is not need the wood. So, and the labor cost in Major is very low. And the second one is we have a very stable suppliers of our raw materials. Due to the long-term cooperation, they are willing to give us a very favorable price, so we can give you the best price of the LED driver. The most important part, the last one, is that this one is our regular LED driver, so each shipment is very large, and our company always, not like other company, have high profits, Our company always control our profit within 10%. So because we want to create a win-win situation of the business. So we can give you that. This is the reason why we can give you so cheap price. And after my detailed introduction, I think you are very familiar with this one mini LED driver, right? So now let me introduce another one LED driver. This one is our new item, cabinet LED driver. It is a very special LED driver. It is also a constant voltage LED driver, and you can see the size is also slim. The thickness is only 18 mm. And the input voltage is also from 100 to 240. So, and this item, they also have many certificates such as CE, TUV, ROS, ETL, FCC, and SAA. It is not only popular in it is also popular in European market, and also many European markets are very interested in this LED driver. So if you are If you're interested in this LED driver, please leave your message. And now let me show you the appearance of the LED driver of the size. So first of all, you can see this cabinet LED driver is very thin. The size is very thin. The thickness is only 18 mm, and it also have a feature. The power range is from 18 to 100 watt, and from 18 to 50 watt, they have the same size. Let me show you the size. The size, you can see the length of the LED driver is only 120. And the width is only only 15.5. And the thickness is only 18 mm. And from 16 to 100 watt, it has another same size, like this one, and I will show you again. You can see this nose is only 165. And the width is also have the same width, only 55. Can you see it? 55. And the thickness is only 18 mm. Can you see it? So it is very suitable for the cabinet LED driver because it is super slim for the height. And I think you maybe very clear about our LED driver. And also, when I show you this LED driver, you will find that there have 6 output LED driver in here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This one means each connector can control one line. And also you can use the hand wave sensor or the human PIN sensor or the touch sensor to control the LED lights. It is very, very easy to use. And also you can use the AC plug. This one, you can use you can see here, you can use the UK plug, USA plug, EU plug, and the Chinese plug to control the LED lights. After my careful introduction, I think you will be very interested in this LED driver, right? So now let me show you how to connect the wire of the LED driver. First of all, you can see this one is our AC plug, and this one is our LED driver, and this one is our LED straight line. Firstly, connect the AC plug. Use the AC plug, connect the LED driver, and then connect the LED straight line. Also, you can see there have six output connector, and just as my just now said, you can control which one connector as you want, and one connector can according to one line, but make sure the total power not over the maximum power. So now I will use this one hand wave sensor to control the LED lights. Now let me show you. So when I wave it, this one is our hand wave sensor. You can see this one. This one is our hand wave sensor. When I wave it, you can see the lights is become off. When I wave it again, you can see the lights is become on. And during this function, during this part, you can see there is very smooth and clear and without any wrinkle. So that is a very good function about the LED driver. And also you can change this hand wave sensor to another sensor such as human PIN sensor and the touch sensor. It depends on your interest. And also you can change this AC plug to ear plug to USA plug and another plug. It also depends on you. And I think you are now very interested in this LED driver. If you are interested in it, please leave your message and contact information, and our customer service will reply your questions, and also will contact you and send you more details if you are interested in it. So now I will give you 1 minute to ask me some questions, and I will don't forget to reply you, and I will try my best to help you to solve the problems. And 1 minute. And now I think some clients want to ask how can they get if they want to get the sample. When is they get the sample? And if you want to get our sample, it's about 3 or 5 days. You can get our sample, and we are very happy to send the sample to check our quality, because we very confident in our quality of the LED driver. If you buy it, you will be very satisfied. And also we can laser your own logo for free, even 1 pieces. And we also, this one is our 3 years warranty, and we also can provide 5 years warranty and 7 years warranty. If you want to get more information, please leave your message now. Okay, if you don't have any other questions, I will welcome to our colleague Stanley to introduce other products. So welcome to Stanley, and I hope I will see you next time in here.
Hello guys, I'm sorry. Hello everyone. Good evening. I'm sorry. Today I would like to introduce our Asian special LED driver. First of all, let's show the appearance of the product for you. You can see this LED driver is very small. Different output power sizes are different. The range is very suitable. You can see 6 watt, just 42 mm. 42 mm. And 80 watt, just 100 mm. Sorry. 100 mm. They are right affirmative from small to large. The weight is very light, such like 6 watt, just 30 grams, and 60 to 80 power is just 170 grams. Thank you. High efficiency, low power consumption LED light driver. Input 100 to 240 watt. Output is 12 watt and 24 watt. Here with work AC in the house. You can see. CETV certification is approved. This LED driver has passed European CEMC safety standards. Also, the LED driver. This is PCB design version. I believe you will be interested. With C certification. Also, you can invite your engineer to watch. Many features without being affected by the environment. Feature to establish environment. Not demand the product due to voltage fluctuations. Featuresly safe with isolation transformer. Safe low voltage 12 watt. No harm to human body. Good quality. This driver is the engineer high quality originals. Continuous working time more than 30,000 hours. Also with 10% test, full load for more than 4 hours. The whole product material, freely tendential, internal electronic capacitor. Small size, lightweight, easy to install. You adopting the IC of a damaged international manufacturer, stable quality, with moisture-proof and dust-proof protection retention functions. Comply with CE standards. This product has passed European CE certificate standard and other safety standards. You can see. Now, let me show you how to use it. Remove the screws. Take out the cover. Next, remove the screws. Take out the green parts and connect the wires. One side is connect the AC input, connect the 220 watt wires. AC output. One side is connect the output 12 watt wires. For this product, we will provide a suitable price for you because we are a factory, we are a manufacturer. Our factory is in Meizhou. It is self-built manufacture. Not need to provide rent. The labor cost is very large in Meizhou. We have long-time cooperative raw materials who provide us suitable price. We are a factory. This product is regular product. This shipment is very large. Our company doesn't make the high profits. We will control the profits. We will control the profits with 10%. So we will offer you a suitable price. Also, if you need a sample, you can please tell me your info or tell me the LED light info. I will recommend you suitable product with best price. After confirm details, I will arrange the sample for you. You can sample order. Also, we can laser your logo, even one piece. Normally, we offer one in a box or carton box. Use or design is okay. Please tell me. Please inform us before our production. Confirm the design firstly based on our sample. Manufactured in Shenzhen since 2006. Over 15 years of experience. Welcome OEM and ODM. Now, if you're interested about this LED driver, you can leave your message or your email. Other contact information below. We will contact you after live broadcast. Thank you. Next, welcome my colleague Lily introduce our popular product for you, LED driver. Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Lily. Very happy to see you guys here. And just now, I think our beautiful girl Kiki and Sally already introduced some of our products for you, and you already get some idea, right? And beside that, also the Kiki introduced you about our company. As you know, our company is established 2006, and our factory is located in Guangdong province, Meizhou. Meizhou is about 4 hours by car from Shenzhen. Now we are in Shenzhen to make this live show for you because our sales office is in Shenzhen, but our factory is in Meizhou. And why we choose Meizhou as our factory is because we have our self-building in Meizhou, 4 floors, so we can control the cost. Because in Shenzhen nowadays the expense very expensive, like the renting fee, the labor fee, everything very expensive. So finally, our bosses choose Meizhou and to produce the products and have the sales department in Shenzhen, so we can easy to meet our customer and also can control the good cost to give the best price to our customers. And maybe some customer they will think about, oh, your factory is in Meizhou, so maybe your delivery time will be have problem. No, in fact, no. I think some customer already cooperate with us. They already know we have a very fast delivery. Why? Because we first every day we have the check. Every day we have check to send the goods from the Meizhou factory to Shenzhen or to the customer's appointed warehouse directly. And also for our regular items, we already have the stock in Shenzhen office. Now we in the office, we have the small warehouse, and so for the regular item, like a few hundred pieces, we can ship immediately. So don't worry about that, okay? Besides that, I'm talking about the cost is low, so some customers will think, hey, how about your quality? I'm not concerned the price only. The quality is more important for me. Yeah, that's true. Same as our principle. Also, we always think the quality first. In fact, our company make the quality, how to control it. We have the 4 steps. And now I think the other steps I will not talk in details, but what I can tell you is we make agent testing 100% before shipment, 4 hours agent testing. We are not let any single pieces go without the test. No, because we have to responsibility for our customer, and that's why there's so many old customer cooperate with us for so many years. Both of us is really happy. Besides that, I think also you can feel our sales team have very excellent service because always we think about the customer first. So we want to consider our customer situation. Sometimes, for example, the price issue and also the delivery issue. Always we try our best to cooperate. Even sometimes the customer face the quality problem. Maybe the quality is not because our real quality, is because the customer is not familiar with our product and they face the problem. So we will help them to solve it. I remember some customers, they will say, hey, I connected with the driver and finally I found the light is blinking. There's problem for your driver? Some customers, they will ask. So after we check and we notice that no, sometimes because it's not familiar with the LED driver and the light, maybe it's because the parameter is not matched. For example, our 12-volt driver and connect to the 24-volt LED light, surely there's a problem. And another maybe is your loading is too much. It's over our power. For example, this is a 60 watt
driver and you load with the 100-watt lighting, for sure you will face the problem because it's overload already. But our driver have the protection, so the driver will not have problem, but your light will not work normally. Okay, so after I tell you all of this, I think you guys already have some idea. But in fact, today I would like to tell you some other products besides the Kiki and the Sally told you. So I would like to first tell you there's very special items. Is DIP switch. Maybe some customer already know these items, and you can see here I move more near to show you. Okay, yeah, maybe you can see here have many numbers. What's that? I will explain to you. Okay, and first of all, you can see this is the daily dimmable LED driver, and it is the constant current. But normally, you know, the constant current maybe you need is 300 mA, and then you need to get one driver. 500 mA, you need to get another driver. So finally, you find you have to make many stock because different lights need a different current. But now we make this market output constant current LED driver can match with your different LED lights. For example, you need 700 mA. You can choose the 700 mA. How? By what you choose it? I will tell you here. Here I have the switch. We call this switch is DIP switch. So you can select different currents through this DIP switch. For example, now, and we have the instruction very clear. So if you want the 700 mA, you just make all switch off, then you can get this current. And if you want 1200 mA, so you make 3 pieces on and 2 pieces of the switch is off, then you can get this current. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 current selection from one driver. So this is very, very convenient for you to get a different current to suit with your light. Okay, this is the main point for these items. And I told you this one, we have the daily dimmable and check dimmable, 0 to 10 volt and 1 to 10 volt dimmable at the same function. For this one, you can get it. And the power you can get it is from the 20 watt to the 60 watt. And the size you can see, like this one is the 50 watt. The size is really good. It is the plastic housing. And besides that, I will tell you another items is here. Okay. Yeah. This is maybe you from the housing you think it's the same. Yeah, same housing, but it's different function. This one, it is the check dimmable. This is check dimmable LED driver, but we make this check dimmable is PW output design. Maybe some customer, they know the technology, what a good side to make the PWM output design. The main important, I tell you, it is if you cannot change the color index. I think some customer already he understand what does it mean the color index. For example, now your light is warm white or nature white or the cold white. When you dimming with our driver, we use the PWM output design. So during you doing this action, we will not change your color temperature of the light. This is a very good sign. Okay. And beside that, I will tell you. Okay. And see here, you can see this is a high PF. High PF. This is really good for the Europe country. And also, check dimmable. I think maybe many customers they face a problem is with the dimmer. How to combine with the dimmer? Some dimmer is good. Some dimmer when he match with the driver, the dimming function is not good. Yeah, but our driver already tests the market more than the 95% dimmer. It is matched and very good. And this is also combined with the leading edge and also the trailing edge. Both dimmer via match. So some customer they already have experience. Some LED driver check dimmable only combined with the leading edge, and some only combined with the trailing edge. So this is in fact is not convenience for the customer to match with the dimmer. It's a little difficult, especially for some customer they are not the technological. Okay, so our driver don't have this problem. Besides, and that's important, I will tell you, we have one function. You can see this blue part. This blue part. It is for the voltage adjustment. As I told you, this is constant voltage 12 volt, but you cannot guarantee all the lights. For example, your strip light, even they tell you it's the 12 volt, but in fact, maybe only 11.5 volt. So when you get the driver 12 volt to drive your light 11.5 volt all the time, that is not good for your LED light. So how to do that? Then we have this function, this blue part. You can use the screwdriver, like this screwdriver, just turn it and to adjust the voltage, the output voltage as you want. You can adjust to be 11.5 volt, or maybe you need more brightness. You think that your LED light is not bright enough, and maybe your light is 12.5 volt. So you just adjust this blue part to get the 12.5 volt as you want. Okay. So this, I think the customer will very happy because you don't have to work to think about, oh, how to do. It's easy. You can do it even by yourself. And besides, you can see we have the many certificates for our LED driver because our main market is for overseas. I can say the more than 90% is for exporting our products. So for sure, we have to have this all certificates. Like we have the TUV, CE, CTIC, SAA, ETL, FCC. I think all this one you're really familiar. Different countries have different requirements for the certificate, but all of them we have it. So you don't need to worry about that. Okay. Yeah, this is the plastic housing. I introduced one is the daily dimmable with the DIP switch function for select different current you want. Another one is the check dimmable and with the PW output design, high PF, and also adjustable the output voltage. Okay, so besides these two items, I will tell you another one. Maybe you will be more interested. This one. Yeah. This one now I think I use very popular linear light driver. This is special for the LED linear light. Now it's really popular because it looks beautiful. And because the size of the light is very small, so that's why our driver, in order to fit inside, so the driver size also is very small. And we have the 4 size here for your reference. You can see 4, and the power we have from the 30 watt, 60 watt, 100 watt, 150 watt. All is the IP20 design. You can get this one. And if you need more details about the size, and you can send the message to us, and then we can send you the details. This one we can make non-dimmable, check dimmable, 0 to 10 volt dimmable, daily dimmable. Beside that, we can make daily and push dimmable, 2-in-1 driver. And behind me later, I will show you our dimming function, how good it is. So later I will show you. And this is IP20 as I told you. And also we have the IP67. You can see. Yeah, maybe you can see now from the IP67, it is showing check 0 to 10, 1 to 10, 5-in-1 LED driver. Yeah, this is also I want to talk to you guys. No, not only the IP67 have the 5-in-1, also this IP20 we have the 5-in-1 driver. So 5-in-1 is means 5 dimming way in one driver. What 5 dimming way? First is check dimmable, and the 0 to 10 volt track dimmable, and 1 to 10 dimmable, and PWM dimmable, and also the meter. So all of these drivers, all of this dimming way in one driver, for you is very convenient. For you can connect with the check dimmer, also the 0 to 10 volt dimmer, whatever you want. And also later I will show you how it works for this one. And this is a really good side. I will also tell you, maybe you are very seldom to see this function. You can see here the input voltage is from 100 to the 277 volt. So this is a very large input range. And you know the check dimmable in the market normally only they make it for the North America, they only make 90 to the 130 volt. And for the Europe countries, so they will make a 180 to the 240 volt. But we made it full range from 100 to the 277 volt. And maybe some customers they say, okay, you make the full range, and how about the dimming function? Maybe the dimming function is not good at the 110 volt. It's different with the 220 volt. 180 to the 240 volt input for the Europe country. So you can choose which one you prefer, and you can test the sample, and then you will know whatever I say. Maybe I send a 100 sentence, then you just take a sample and test it. You will be more confident. Okay. So also I will tell you, just now I told you here. See, the input voltage is from 100 to the 277 volt. This is really good. And the dimming combined with the dimmer, as I told you, we combine more than 90% dimmer. You know, the difficulty for the check dimmable is the how to combine with it. We are very confident because before we put our products in the market, we already test them and satisfy them. Then we introduce it to our customer. And the dimming range is from the 0% to the 100%. Later also I will show you how it works. Okay. And the loading, the loading range maybe you are more interested in, because nowadays in the market mostly they will tell you, oh, the loading range should be in the 70% to the 100%. But we can make from the 10% to the 100% for the loading range, and the dimming function is the same. What does it mean? For example, you buy the one driver is 100 watts, and your light only 10 watts, and the dimming function is very good, same as you are loading with the 70 watt, 100 watt. But normally in the market now, they cannot. They will tell you, no, if you load 10 watts, then the dimming function is not good. Yeah, but we are really confident, say from 10% to the 100%, the dimming function is same, and you can test by yourself. Okay, beside that, maybe you will say, hey, this product is so good, and how about the quality? The quality I will tell you here, 7 years warranty. What does mean 7 years warranty? Maybe you say, hey, you're just talking about that. How can you guarantee? How can you sure? And I will tell you the driver's lifetime, I think the people knows well how to control. First of all, the temperature. The temperature, how to relate with it is the efficiency. High efficiency means the temperature is lower, and then the lifetime of the component is longer. Beside that, the design also is very important. We have the engineer more than 10 years experience, especially for the LED driver design. So we have the very mature technology. to be sure our design is good. And also the component we select is the famous brand. Like the capacitor we using is the Rubicon from the Japan. And the IC we use is the ST from the US. So after you know all of this, like also the MOSFET, we use the Fairchild. All is the famous brand to guarantee we can offer 7 years warranty, not just talking. And as I told you, our company is established in the 2006. We are not like a new company. When there's problem, oh, they can disappear or escape, but we cannot. We have our own factory there, and we have so many customers there. We cannot, because one customer's problem and then disappear, to lose all of this market. So I think after you choose us, you will feel relaxed. Whenever, whatever you face the problem or anything, we are here, never disappear. Okay? So now I think it's the time I will show you how the dimming function look. I will show you from here. Okay. And in fact, this one is linear type. You can see it's a linear type, which I show you on the table just now. It's the IP21. This one is the Dali and push 2-in-1 dimmable. I will show you now is the dimming function for the push. I will show you here. I think the push, the customer already have some idea. Okay, so I push now, long push it, and the brightness of the light is become off until 0. Okay, now I will try to push again, and you will see the brightness is increasing until 100% brightness. And you can see during this dimming, and the dimming function is very smooth, no flicking. And also you can see some customers, they say before they face problem, oh, they try to dim in and there's no action. What does it mean? He push it here and the brightness is no change. But suddenly it changed. It suddenly changed. Suddenly it's very bright and suddenly it's very dark. That is not good. And why our product is so famous and the people like it so much? One is because the dimming is really good. You can check again here. Now I will push and until the 0. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the push dimming way. I will show you here. Okay. I will show you another is the Dali. This one is also the Dali because this is the Dali dimmer. This is the push dimmer. We connect here and you can see here. I will show you. See? Okay, now I will turn the dimmer, make the brightness is down and down. Okay, like this. Yeah, you can see now. You can see the brightness is down and then until the 0. Okay, so I push again and then you will see. The brightness is remain the last time. So means our driver have the memory. Okay, I will try to again. Now I will dim it on, and the brightness is more increasing. Now, during the dimming, you can see very smooth and no any flicker. Okay, now I make it turn off, and turn on again. The brightness keep the last time, same last time. So okay, now I will make it the dark and dark. This is the Dali dimmer. Okay, until the 0. Okay. Yeah, I think I hope next time you have the chance and come to visit us, and then we can talk more in details, and also you can take the sample to check by yourself. Really, I think the people when they see it's better than he can try by himself. He can try. After that, you will know. Yeah, it's really good. Okay. Today, this is the items we want to introduce, and also I want to Okay, so this is the one family as I told you is here. Let me see. Okay, now you can see. You guys can see. This is the one series, and also the waterproof, non-waterproof, and the dimming function. We have the all, whatever you can remember. Check dimmable 0 to 10, 1 to 10, and also PWM and daily and push. All we have it. I hope I can get your message soon, so we can have the further communication. And also we can send you our catalog, the specification data sheet, and also the price. I hope next time can see you guys again. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.